Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best jigsaw. We made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. A jigsaw is a versatile and essential power tool for any woodworking or enthusiast. Its primary function is to make intricate and precise cuts in a variety of materials, including wood, metal, plastic, and ceramic. The jigsaw's defining feature is its narrow, straight blade, which moves in a rapid up and down motion, allowing users to cut straight lines, curves, and complex shapes with ease. This tool is invaluable for tasks such as cutting out patterns, creating detailed designs, or performing detailed work that other saws cannot manage. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a hobbyist, a jigsaw is a must-have tool for achieving detailed and accurate cuts in your projects. Number 5. RDDSPON Jig Saw. The RDDSPON Jig Saw is a highly versatile and efficient tool, ideal for anyone who works with wood, plastic, or aluminum. As a cordless jigsaw, it operates on a lithium battery compatible with Makita 18V batteries, providing the convenience of a DC 18V 21V power supply. This means no more dealing with cumbersome cords, making it perfect for both workshop and on-site applications. One of the standout features of this jigsaw is its impressive cutting depth of 65mm. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a enthusiast, you'll appreciate the precision and power this tool offers. The no-load speed range of 1000 to 2900 RPM ensures smooth and efficient cutting, adaptable to different project needs. The frequency of 50 to 60 Hz makes it suitable for use in various regions, and the saw comes with a plug tailored to your country's standards. The battery design is particularly noteworthy. The larger battery option boasts a design capacity of 4000 mAh, with an actual measurement range of 3500 to 4000 mAh, ensuring long-lasting performance. For lighter tasks, the smaller battery offers a design capacity of 2000 mAh, with an actual measurement range of 1500 to 2000 mAh, providing flexibility depending on the workload. Number 4. WOBERICH Jig Saw. I recently had the opportunity to use the WOBERICH cordless electric jig saw, and I must say it exceeded my expectations. This jigsaw is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for both amateur enthusiasts and professional craftsmen. One of the standout features is its cordless design, powered by a lithium battery. This provides the freedom to move around without being tethered to an outlet, making it extremely convenient for various projects. It's compatible with Makita 18V batteries, which is a great plus for those who already own Makita tools. The saw operates at a voltage of DC 20V, and with a no-load speed range of 0 to 2900 RPM, it offers impressive performance. Whether you're cutting through wood, plastic, or aluminum, this jigsaw handles it with ease. The cutting depth of 65mm is sufficient for most tasks, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. Another benefit is its frequency range of 50 to 60 Hz, ensuring consistent and reliable operation. Number 3. Spreawoaks Jig Saw. I recently tried the Spreawoaks Jig Saw, and it has proven to be an excellent tool for various cutting tasks. This jigsaw is designed to meet the needs of both enthusiasts and professionals, offering a blend of power, precision, and versatility. One of the key features of the Spreawoaks Jig Saw is its 3-gear speed control. This allows for precise adjustments depending on the material you're working with, be it wood, plastic, or aluminum. This versatility is a significant advantage, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The compatibility with dual batteries, specifically the DCB180, is a fantastic feature. For those who already own dual tools, this means you can use the same battery system, saving both time and money. The jigsaw's design ensures a snug fit for these batteries, ensuring reliable power delivery throughout your projects. Performance-wise, the Spreawoaks Jig Saw does not disappoint. It cuts smoothly and efficiently through various materials, and the speed control feature allows for clean and precise cuts. Number 2. ONEKFYFD Jig Saw. I recently had the chance to use the ONEKFYFD Jig Saw, and I found it to be a solid performer for renovation projects. Designed with both the professional renovation team and enthusiasts in mind, this cordless jigsaw combines convenience, power, and precision. Weighing in at just 1.8 kilograms, the ONEKFYFD Jig Saw is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during extended use. Its compact design does not compromise on performance, as it can achieve a maximum cutting depth of 65mm, which is impressive for a tool of this size. The no-load speed of 2700 RPM ensures efficient and smooth cuts through various materials, making it particularly effective as a wood saw. The saw operates on an 18V battery, providing the freedom to work without the hassle of cords. This feature is particularly beneficial for large-scale renovation projects where mobility is crucial. The tool's 50-60 Hz frequency ensures consistent performance, regardless of the job at hand. The ONEKFYFD Jig Saw is also customizable, allowing users to adapt it to their specific needs. Number 1. Patuopro PT-CLUB Jig Saw. I recently had the opportunity to use the Patuopro PT-CLUB Jig Saw, and it has proven to be a fantastic tool for home projects. This jigsaw is designed with the home user in mind, offering a combination of power, precision, and ease of use that makes it perfect for various tasks around the house. One of the standout features of the Patuopro PT-CLUB Jig Saw is its brushless motor. This not only increases the tool's efficiency, but also extends its lifespan, providing a more reliable and powerful performance. With a no-load speed of 3000 RPM, it cuts through wood effortlessly, making it an excellent wood saw for any enthusiast. Weighing 2 kilograms, this jigsaw strikes a good balance between being lightweight enough to handle easily and heavy enough to provide stability during use. The tool is also customizable, which adds to its versatility, allowing users to adjust settings according to their specific needs and preferences. Powered by an 18V battery, the Patuopro PT-CLUB Jig Saw offers the convenience of cordless. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those products. Please subscribe my channel for more update.